Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. In our last video, we were discussing about the mobile device management and we have configured some policies. So from point number 1 to point number 7, we have configured in the last video. Now we are going to start from point number 8, where we are going to cover a create device configuration policy like application protection. What is application protection? For organization data, you have to secure your information, or you wanted to keep that information within the organization. For that, you can define some policies and rules like which uh, applications are allowed to use within your organization, and the users are not allowed to copy paste this information outside the restricted applications, which is whitelisted by your organization, right? So in order to protect that information, you can configure the application protection. In application protection, you can restrict user. He or she cannot print a particular document, or they cannot copy paste that document outside the protected applications, or they cannot save their document on local drive, right? So let's jump into our demo environment and let me show you how you can configure this policy. So first of all, you need to log in on Microsoft portal. Then you need to click on this admin page. It will take you to this page, Microsoft Admin Center. Then from here, you need to click on Endpoint Manager, which I have already opened here. So from here, you have to define the application protection. So in order to deploy or configure this policy, click on Apps and then click on App Protection. For demonstration, I have already configured one policy which I am going to demonstrate to you right now, because the reason why I have configured it earlier, because it took some time to replicate it. So instead of waiting and see the results on the mobile app, so that's why I have configured it earlier, and I just wanted to show you what exactly this policy is and how it impact on on the mobile device. In order to configure the application protection, it is not really required to enroll your device on the company portal, but as you configure your company's email ID, the policies will be enforced to your that particular application. So let me show you what are the policies which I have configured here in Intune app protection. So here I have defined the name app protection. You can define as per your requirement, and platform is Android, as I am using Android phone. Target to apps on all devices, right? Click yes. And public apps, I am going to restrict the company data for these four apps. Other than these four, company data will not be copy paste or cannot be moved out of these four applications. So that in data protection policy, I have defined, and let me edit it, and you can see how it looks like when you are going to uh, create a new policy. The first one is backup organization data to all Android backup service. We block that information, so the uh, the scheduled backup cannot be happened for this particular data. Send organization data to other apps. So we have defined like only policy managed apps can exchange their data. Outside the unmanaged app, the data cannot be moved. You can specify the exception, but just for the sake of testing, leave it as it is. Save copy of organization data. So I blocked it, so the organization data is only allowed to save a copy on OneDrive or SharePoint or Box, whatever you define here. So I just wanted to restrict the users to save their organization data on OneDrive only. This is related to audio call, just leave it as it is. Receive data from other apps. Yes, all apps are allowed to send data to the organizations whitelisted applications. So far we have only selected 4. Then restrict, cut, copy and paste between other apps. So I have defined policy managed apps with paste in. What does it mean? So if I select policy managed apps, then only you can copy and paste data between the apps. You cannot copy the data from unmanaged app and paste it in managed apps. But if you select this policy manage apps with paste in this with this option, you can copy paste the data from you can copy the data from unmanaged app and paste it in the managed apps. But you cannot copy the data from managed app and paste it to unmanaged app. Like the managed apps are Microsoft Outlook, Word, Teams, OneDrive, and unmanaged apps like Excel, Notepad. These are the things. And screen capture, I just keep it allowed, keep keyboard not required, and encryption required. Sync policy manage app data native where in allow. Printing organization data I blocked it. Nobody can take a printout. And that's it. So just save and review because it's already configured. So I just close it. So let me show you the demo now. Let me jump into my Android phone. So this is my Android phone. What you need to do is like I'm going to configure an Outlook. Just open add account. I'm using this account Amir at futureoncloud.net. One thing I forget to show you the access requirement. You can configure a PIN whenever user try to log in on the Outlook. The Microsoft Intune force that user to configure a PIN in order to access the Outlook. And PIN can be simple numeric or it can be with the passcode. You can configure a simple PIN. So I just for sake of testing, I allowed it, and the minimum PIN length is 4 character. Biometric is also allowed. And then what is more important here, which we can discuss, app PIN. Like whenever you try to open a PIN, just leave it. If not required, an app PIN does not need to be used to access the app if the device PIN is set on the MDM enrolled device. Right. So whenever you try to open your Outlook, it requests for a PIN. So once you enter that PIN which you have configured here, then only you can access uh, your emails. So this and in conditional launch, the maximum PIN attempts if somebody try to attempt with the wrong pin, the action will be reset the pin. Offline grace period 720 days. After that, the access will be blocked and wipe the data after 90 days. And if your account is disabled, then the data will be wiped out. Data will be wiped out. And I have assigned this policy to the particular group of users. So my user is a member of this group. So these policies will be applied to that particular group only. So let me log in and configure my account. Let me type the password. Okay, sign in. I have configured multi-factor authentication for this user. So let me approve it. So account is configured. I don't want to configure another account. So let's see maybe later. So here we go. To use your work or school account with this app, you must install a Microsoft Intune Company Portal app. Go to store to continue. So just tap on it, click on install. What it will do, it will manage your application, but it will not register your device on Intune portal. So this application you can say is a communication medium between Intune and your mobile phone. So once this app is registered, then the policies will be implemented on your mobile phone. So let's try now. Let's say this is my email and I try to print this email. It is allowing us, but we will wait for a couple of minutes in order to replicate the policies first. So it will not impact immediately. So let me open it again. Yes, this is I wanted to show you. Get access your organization, protect data. In this app, you might need to set some things up to access your work or school. So click on continue. This is the pin which we need to specify like 1234. Now pin is configured. If you open your Outlook after a couple of minutes, then Outlook will prompt you to enter this pin which I just configured now, then you can access your emails. So let's try again to print the same email. Earlier we were getting through to print it out, but it should not be. As you can see, printing is disabled by your organization. So this is the first step. Like we have restrict it through the policy. The print organization data is blocked, right? So what is next? Let's try to download this attachment. As you can see, cannot save to device. This option cannot save to device because I have blocked this access. So only where is that? Yes, here. Allow user to save copy of selected services. It is only allowed to save on OneDrive only. So if I click on storage account, then I need to configure my account, then only I can save this file into my OneDrive. And third one is copy paste. So let's say I wanted to copy this information and try to paste it outside the Outlook or the apps which is not managed app, and let's say that Notepad. Your organization data cannot be pasted here, right? So you cannot copy paste this information outside the managed app. So let's try to write an email and try to paste the same info. So here you can paste it because this is a managed app, right? So this is how you can protect your application using Intune. Hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned, keep watching. See you in next video.